You are going to love the 2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.